Hello dear students, I hope all of you are doing well. I welcome you all to English grammar class. Students, in this video, I shall start with a new chapter from your English grammar book, that is Unit 11th, Nouns Number. See, this is a very easy chapter. Why I am saying this? Because you have already learned this chapter in your previous classes. You have learned about singular and plural, that means how to change singular into plural. So this chapter is all about singular and plural. So in this chapter we are just going to revise how to change nouns from singular to plural. See, for changing singular into plural there are certain rules which we need to revise. So very quickly, without wasting any time, I shall start with the first rule. So this is the most simple this is the simplest rule, I would say. To form plural of most nouns, we add s to the singular noun. See, this is the most common and most simpler rule, I would say. What we do in order to change singular into plural, we just add s. For example, arrow becomes arrows. Only s is added. Bird, birds. Cake, cakes. Ear, ears. Flower, flowers. Girl, girls. Similarly, only s is added to the singular noun in order to make it plural. So this is the most simple rule in order to change singular to plural. Now let's move to the second rule. Now, nouns which end with s, double s, sh, ch and x form their plurals by adding es. सो जिस भी नाउन में जो भी नाउन एस से एंड हो रहा हो, डबल एस से, एस एच, सी एच एंड एक्स, जितने भी नाउन्स इन सारे लेटर्स से एंड हो रहे हैं, वहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करते हैं, वी जस्ट ऐड ई एस टू मेक इट प्लूरल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बस, इट इज़ एंडिंग इन एस, buses. Bunch, ch, the last two words are ch, bunches. Church, again it is ending in ch, churches. Box, it is ending with x, so es is added, boxes. Dish, dishes. Wish, wishes. Class, classes. Fox, foxes. So this is also a very simple rule. You just have to keep in mind about the nouns that end with s, double s, sh, ch and x. You just have to add es to it in order to make it plural. Now let's come to the third rule. Most of the nouns that end in consonant o need es to form plurals. So I hope students you know what are consonants and what are vowels. There are 5 vowels, a, e, I, o, u, and the remaining alphabets other than vowel are called as consonants. For example, b, c, d, f, g, h, j, k, these are consonants. So the consonants that end in o, जो भी consonants होते हैं, जो भी nouns होते हैं जो जिसके end में o आता है, 1 second, it is ending in o. So what you have to do, you just have to add es to make it plural. Hero, heroes. Buffalo, buffaloes. Mosquito, mosquitoes. Zero, zeros. Mango, mangoes. Tomato, tomatoes. You just have to add es to it. As we have just talked about the confusion, there are some exceptions to this rule. For example, photo, photos, piano, pianos. Yes students, there are certain exceptions. देखो ये तो o से end हो रहा है, but we don't write photos, p-h-o-t-o-e-s. es is wrong, we only add s to it. Similarly, piano, it is also ending in o, but we don't add es to it. So these are certain exceptions which you need to remember. ये आपको याद रखने होंगे कि कहाँ पे हम लोग es add नहीं करते हैं. Now the next rule, fourth rule, the nouns that end in f or fe replace f or fe and use ves to form plurals. Now वैसे nouns जो end करते हैं f से या fe से, and what do? We replace f or fe and we add ves to it in order to make it plural. See, for example, calf, calves. F is removed and ves is added. Similarly, loaf, F is removed and VES is added. Leaf, leaves, half, halves, knife, knives, life, lives, wife, wives, and thief, thieves. What you have to do? You have to remove F or you have to remove FE and add VES in order to make the singular noun into plural. There are now यहाँ पे भी कुछ exceptions है. There are some exceptions to this rule also. For example, chief. See, it is ending in F, but we don't write CHIEVES. This is wrong. What we do? We just add S to it. Chiefs. Proof, proofs. Roof, roofs. Scarf. अब देखो यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसे भी नाउन्स होते हैं जहाँ पे हम लोग एस भी लगा सकते हैं या VES लगा सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्कार्फ. स्कार्फ्स आप FS भी लिख सकते हो और VES भी लिख सकते हो. हूफ, हूफ्स या ऐसे भी आप लिख सकते हो. ड्वार्फ, ड्वार्फ्स में आप सिर्फ S लगा सकते हो या फिर आप VES भी लिख सकते हो. सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दीज रूल्स. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, द फिफ्थ रूल. Consonant plus Y removes Y and adds IES. अब वैसे consonants जहाँ पे Y होते हैं, okay? For example, city. See, T is consonant, CITY. T is consonant and it is ending with Y. So what you have to do? You have to remove Y and add IES to it to make it plural. Like example, city, cities, lady, ladies, diary, diaries, family, families. So this way, this rule can be implemented, or you can change the consonant nouns ending with Y into plural ones. Next, sixth rule. Vowel plus Y adds S. Now, we talked about consonant plus Y. Now, we will talk about vowel plus Y. Ray, R-A-Y, ray. See, 1 second. R-A-Y. A. This is vowel. This is not consonant, and it is ending with Y. So what we have to do? We don't have to remove Y. No, we don't have to remove Y. We just have to add S to it. Ray, rays. Boy, boys. Key, keys. Story, stories. Valley, valleys. Monkey, monkeys. Okay. Next one. Some words don't follow such rules. Now there are some words that do not follow any rule. These are exceptions and we have to remember this. Like man. Man is singular. Plural is men. It is not following any rule. We don't write mans. Do we write mans? No, we don't. Mans. This is wrong. Woman, woman, woman. Women. Woman, women. Here also we don't write S. Women's we don't say. We say women. Child, children. Childs is wrong. The plural of child is children. Similarly, ox, oxen. Foot, feet. Louse, lice. Mouse, mice. Tooth, teeth. So they do not follow any rule. So I hope that all the rules are clear to everybody. Now students, in the next video I'll be explaining you the exercises of this chapter. I hope all the rules are clear to everybody. So stay safe, study regularly, work hard and see the complete video. Thank you so much students. I'll meet you in the next video with the explanation of exercises. Thank you.